Proto.io is a powerful tool used to create interactive prototypes for web and mobile applications. It allows designers and developers to bring their ideas to life by simulating user interactions and transitions. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a prototype in Proto.io. Sign up and create a new project. Sign up. Start by creating a Proto.io account if you don't already have one, or log in if you do. New project. Once logged in, click on Create New Project and give your project a name and description. Choose whether you are designing for web or mobile. Design your prototype. Add screens. Use the drag and drop editor to design different screens. Add elements such as buttons, text fields, images, and shapes from the widget library provided. Customize elements. Resize, move, and style elements to match your design vision. You can change colors, borders, and other properties to ensure your screen reflects your brand's design language. Adding interactivity. Set up interactions. Add interactivity by linking different screens together. You can create transitions between screens with actions like taps, swipes, clicks, hovers, and more. Conditional logic. Use conditional interactions to show or hide elements or trigger animations based on user input, simulating real-world user flows. Test and refine. Preview. Once your screens and interactions are set up, preview the prototype to see how users will interact with it. Test different paths to ensure that everything flows seamlessly. Make adjustments. Based on feedback or testing, go back and refine your design or interactions to better meet user needs. Sharing your prototype. Share. When your prototype is complete, share it with stakeholders by generating a shareable link or embedding it into websites. You can also generate a QR code for easy access. Collect feedback. Collaborate with your team by collecting feedback directly on the prototype through comments and annotations. Advanced features. Reusable components. Create reusable design elements like buttons, icons, and forms to maintain consistency across multiple screens. Version control. Manage different versions of your prototype, ensuring smooth iteration and a streamlined handoff process.